Hello guys, it's your boy Forex Prince again on another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to install your 888 bot into your MT4 platform or into your MT4 trading platform. So first things first, you have to enter the platform that you are using the bot on, or it can be MT5 or MT4, but in this case I'm going to use MT4. So first thing you have to do is go to the files. It's here on your top left corner. You click on it, you scroll down to your data folders, and you enter that file. You enter your NQL4 folder and then the expert folder. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you have your bot in the downloads, for example. You have to go into the downloads or wherever you have your file, which I sent to you guys through email. You have to copy it, and then you go back to your experts and then paste it in there. As you can see, I already have the file in here, but I'm going to replace it with the one that I copied just for demonstration purposes. So here we got our 888 bot US 100. Don't mind the name. Every other bot might have a different name. The bot that I might send to you might not have the same name, but it's just the same bot. So with that, after doing that, you just have to minimize this, and then you have to refresh the experts. It might not be visible if you don't refresh it first, so refresh it first. So we got the 88 US 100 bot right here, and then we drag it onto the charts. Remember, we are using the 1 day time frame. So you just drag it onto the charts. Here you get some information about the creator of the bot, which is us. You see here fxbankrobust.com, proud product of the FX Bank Robust. So when you go to your commons, you can allow live trading, allow modification of signals. This is very important, guys, because when this is not allowed, the bot won't be able to use the trailing stop function. Allow DLL imports as well. So let's move on to the inputs. I had a lot of questions from you guys about the functions of the inputs that I have on this bot, so I'm going to explain to you just a little, just for you to understand what's going on. The profit to close, guys, is your daily target. Let's say your daily target is perhaps $50. You can just type it in here. This is 5.0, which is equal to 5. It's just 5, but you can write in $50. Lose to close, I actually prefer you guys to leave it open. Yep, just leave it open. The magic number, this is a unique number for the EA. It can also be changed, but not advisable for you guys that don't know how to code and stuff like that. It's better to leave it as it is right now. And here we got our grid orders count. This basically means the number of trades in a grid. Let's say the bot places pending orders around about this area. Look at what I'm doing here on the chart. Let's say the bot places let's say buy limits beneath here. When it's actually written 3, it means there will be 3 pending orders following each other. 3 pending orders following each other. For the cells as well, 3 pending orders above each other. So that is what this 3 stands for, guys. So you can decide for the bot to only take one pending order and not 3. So you can just write in 1 here and then save the settings. Your volume size is 0.01, which also means your lot size. Stop loss in pips is your stop loss. Take profit in pips is your take profit. Okay. Multiple stop levels. This is also one interesting topic, guys. As you can see here, we got 3/2, 8/8, and so on. What this basically means is when the price is currently in profits with 3 pips, the trailing stop will place the stop loss at 2 pips. So that means if there is a slight reversal, the bot won't hit the pending or the trailing stop easily. So that is why I actually put it at 2 pips and not at 3 pips. So here at 8/8, it actually means that when the bot reaches the when the bot is in profits with 8 pips, the bot will actually place the stop loss 8 pips into profits. So it goes on and on and on and on. But that is the formula, guys. In case you might want to change this up, that is the formula you should use. So here we got the cycles. This basically means the number of pending orders to be placed. So let's say, for example, like I explained here, the bot places 3 pending orders. You actually say 3 here, right? It's actually 3 here. Let's say it places 3 pending orders following each other. What you can do here at the cycles is actually decide how many pending orders at each level. Let's say you place 2 pending orders, 1 2 1 2 1 2, like 2 pending orders at each level. That is what the cycle will be doing on this instance, guys. So with that being said, let's go and try the bot. As you can see, once you put the bot onto your charts, there is a certain template that the bot will actually use, but I'm going to change this template into blue, so the bot will actually change the color of the chart. And you also have to look in your top right corner, which is here. You will see a smiley. You'll see a smiley there, and when it's having a frown face like it has now, then that means the bot is not working. So you have to activate your auto trading. So once auto trading is on, you will see that the smiley at the top right corner is smiling again. So that means you have installed the bot successfully, and now you can wait on the trades at 17:30 GMT time. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to teach you guys on how to get this new bot installed on your platforms, or which is also known as your MT4. So with that being said, guys, I'm your boy Forex Prince. See you on another video.